On this fine summer day in Toronto, I am craving a peaceful gateway, away from the noise and crowds. All I want is to be in a quite peaceful nature, because I adore natural world. That's the beautiful cloud, by the way. I then called a friend who promised to take me into the location I want. Here he is. He will be my tour guide for today. After 1 hour of traveling, I feel a little hungry. Not too much, just a little, you know. After a few discussions, we came up with the idea of making popcorn in the wilderness. Yes, why not? Most of the time, I enjoy popcorn in the theater, but today, I am enjoying it in nature, on the open air. A cup coffee, few cookies perhaps, and popcorn. Wow, it's going to be a terrific day. Yes, we are making popcorn today, and I am following this wonderful guide into the nature, into this wilderness. We did it. Even though the place was not so great, it was superb and amazing, and on top of that, it was all about fun. Thank you for watching this video. We will be releasing our next video related to food, nature, and travel very soon. Until then, please like and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you. Have a good one.